In today's video, I'm going to teach you how add photo in Microsoft Designer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your image into a design, let Designer help with smart suggestions, and finalize a polished look with just a few clicks. First, head to the Microsoft Designer homepage. Once you're there, you'll see options to start a project. If you want help generating a layout, choose Create with AI. If you already have a vision and prefer more control, choose to design from scratch. Either way, you'll land in a workspace where you can refine everything. Next, look for the option labeled Edit with AI. This opens Designer's assisted editing experience, which guides you through choices and keeps the workflow simple. From here, select Upload your image to frame it. This tells Designer you want to bring in a specific photo and place it into a ready-made layout or frame, which can save a lot of time. When the upload window appears, choose Upload your files. You can drag and drop from your computer or browse to pick the image you want. High-resolution JPEGs and PNGs tend to look best, and a clear, well-lit photo will give you the strongest result. If your images live in the cloud, you'll also see your folders on OneDrive. Navigate through your folders as you normally would. In many accounts, you'll find a folder called Generated with Designer. This is where Designer often stores assets or results you've worked on. Click into it if that's where your image resides, then click on the image you want to use. You'll get a quick preview so you can confirm it's the right one. When you're ready, click Select to bring that photo into your project. Now that your image is in the editor, use the search or prompt area to type in elements. This helps you surface frames, shapes, and design pieces that complement your photo. Browse what appears and pick what suits your concept. Next, choose Style. Styles bundle fonts, colors, and layout treatments that can instantly pull your design together. Consider your goal, bold and modern for social posts or clean and minimal for professional materials, and select the look that fits. Finally, click Create. Designer applies your choices, frames your image, and generates a cohesive composition. Take a moment to review the result. If something feels off, you can revisit elements or style and try slight variations until it aligns with your vision. And that's it. Your photo is added, framed, and elevated with smart styling in Microsoft Designer.